Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
3 billionaires previously included on Forbes 400 have been knocked out of the list, while 4 remaining billionaires have suffered huge losses amid the crypto winter, in which major cryptocurrencies have seen a sharp decline in prices. OPEC Plus is set to consider its most drastic reduction of production since the pandemic began in order to help prop up falling oil prices, a move that could put pressure on global economic growth. Asia's factory output mostly weakened in September as slowing demand in China and advanced economies added to the pain from persistent cost pressures, surveys showed, clouding the region's economic recovery prospects. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 0330 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.